Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Jack and I'm at Northwest Bus Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2010 Bluebird Vision. This is a 77 passenger school bus, 145,000 miles on it. Cummins Allison combo. I'm excited to show it to you. Let's check it out. All right, first things first. We got the Cummins ISB 6.7 liter turbo diesel engine. There with an Allison automatic transmission. I'm going to show you the front passenger side tire here. Front tires, around 10-30 seconds. Close this guy here. There we go. All right, coming on inside, we have an air-operated bifold passenger entry door. Black flooring, white step nosing, some grab rails coming on in. Going over the driver area here, driver's seat upholstery. Brown cloth, no big rips, cuts, tears, anything like that. Looks good going all the way up and down. Got your Allison automatic transmission shift pad here. Mileage on this, 145,207 miles. Got your headlights, hazards, PA mic right there, Panasonic AM FM CD stereo. Here to the right, we got your dome lights, auxiliary fans, number 1, number 2. Heated mirrors and powered mirrors. It's top and bottom on both sides. And all your rear heaters, defrost, and all that right there. All right, in the back, as I said, 77 passengers. It's 3 kids to a seat besides that very back seat. Standard bench style seating, gray vinyl covers. From first glance, these covers look awesome. I mean, I'm not even seeing a whole lot of patch jobs on these. There's the seat I was talking about, it's a little bit smaller. But look at that, look at the backs on these. Looking good. Got 2 emergency roof hatches up top, speakers zigzagging their way down the aisle, dome lights going down both sides of the aisle. Emergency exit door on the driver's side, rear emergency exit door back there. Nice and clean in this, that is for sure. Seats are looking great. Not even seeing any fraying on the corners here, looking good. All right, that'll do it for the inside. Let's check out the outside. All right, it says have a underfloor storage pod. It's 1 continuous bay, but 2 doors on it. Here's what it looks like with 1 door open. Down the side, passenger side skirts nice and straight. Gonna show you the rear passenger side duals here. A shot of the frame there. Look at that, not a rusty bus by any means. Looking good. All right, coming around the back, these corners tend to be where you'll see the most damage on these. Not a whole lot on the rear passenger side corner. LED lights on the rear emergency exit door, 2 windows on that, window on each side. Driver's side corner looking good. So we've got a little bit of some touch-up paint right here. A little crack right there. Seems to be the majority of anything on this. Bus is pretty clean. Driver's side skirts looking straight going down. I'll show you the rear driver's side duals. Shot of underneath. Just slide out battery box and tray right in here. A couple of Group 31s. And last but not least, we have your front driver's side tire. Oh, and I forgot to show you, this does have a Washington Safety Inspection sticker from 2024. Well, thank you for watching this Northwest Bus Sales exclusive video tour. If you like this bus or any other buses in our lot, you can call us at 1-800-231-7099. Visit us at nwbus.com or email us sales@nwbus.com. Thanks for watching.